So explain exactly what is comp, what is collision, because there's a good chance we know it's not exactly what it sounds like.
Yep. So again, kind of comes back to what I was saying earlier about when people say I have full coverage, your liability is like part A, comp and collision is B and C. So comprehensive is going to be for glass breakage, theft, vandalism. You hit a deer, hail damage on your car, tree falls on your car, pretty much anything other than collision. Anything you can think of other than collision. Collision is if I get in an accident and I run into you, or even let's say I'm backing out of my driveway and I run over my mailbox. I ran into another vehicle or some kind of property. It's property damage. I ran into property. So collision is me colliding with something else in my car.
Okay.
A lot of times we'll recommend a little bit lower of a deductible on comprehensive than collision. It doesn't seem today like it makes as big of a difference on comp and collision as it used to, carrying a higher deductible. So a lot of times people may have a $500 deductible and they're trying to save a little bit of money and they ask me what a $1,000 deductible looks like. It's generally not going to save you a ton. It might be, $8 a month or something like that per car. If you have 4 or 5 cars and you have teenage drivers and your premium's high, then carrying a $1,000 deductible would probably save you a little bit more. But if you're, 1 or 2 vehicles, your premiums, under $200 a month, it's not going to be a huge difference as far as price goes with changing the deductible and carrying a higher deductible. The biggest thing that we see on comprehensive for deductibles, I would say as a recommendation is having glass coverage, because the number one comp claim that we see is